Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your frame stronger in Warframe. To begin, always assess your Warframe's core strengths and weaknesses. Every Warframe has distinct abilities and base statistics, so understanding these is your first step. Then, prioritize modding for both survivability and offensive capabilities. Selecting mods that complement your Warframe's unique abilities will significantly amplify its overall effectiveness in combat. For core durability, always equip mods that boost your Warframe's health, shields, and armor values. Mods like Vitality, Redirection, and Steel Fiber are foundational. Additionally, incorporating damage reduction mods, such as Adaptation, can provide up to 90% damage resistance after taking hits. Don't forget ability efficiency and duration mods to ensure your defensive powers are consistently available throughout missions. Moving to advanced enhancements, corrupted mods offer substantial stat boosts at the cost of another stat, like Blind Rage for ability strength versus efficiency. Umbral mods, such as Umbral Vitality and Umbral Intensify, provide massive increases to health, armor, and ability strength. Furthermore, Arcanes, acquired from Eidolons or other sources, grant powerful passive or active effects, significantly enhancing your Warframe's performance in various combat scenarios. To truly optimize your Warframe, Forma is crucial for adding or changing mod polarities, allowing you to fit more powerful mods. An Orokin reactor, often called a potato, will instantly double your Warframe's mod capacity, providing 60 points for customization. Finally, the Helminth system allows you to subsume Warframe abilities, replacing one of your current abilities with a new one, creating unique and powerful build synergies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.